Stop hiccups instantly by drinking water upside down. Sounds bizarre, right? This quirky yet effective method involves bending over and sipping water from the opposite side of the glass. It works by resetting your diaphragm and interrupting the cycle of hiccups. Here's how: fill a glass with water, lean forward, and drink from the far side of the rim. The change in posture may confuse your diaphragm into behaving, as you tilt your head downwards and let gravity help you swallow. This creates a new sensation for your throat and diaphragm, often stopping hiccups in their tracks. It might feel a bit awkward at first, but give it a try next time you're stuck in a hiccup loop. It's a simple life hack that's as entertaining as it is effective, and it could save you from minutes of involuntary convulsions. Embrace the upside down sip and hiccup no more.